Hello everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to create vocabularies using metaphactory's vocabulary management interface. So, let's dive right in and go to our vocabulary catalog. We will be creating a vocabulary for industries which we will call industry vocabulary. To create a new vocabulary for industries, we'll click on Create. Now we will be prompted to enter a title for our new vocabulary, namely Industry Vocabulary, while the area and namespace of the vocabulary will be pre-filled based on this title. By default, this will be vocabularies.metafax.com, but we can change that if we want to. Additionally, customers can change the default namespace for all vocabularies according to their internal guidelines and restrict users from changing these to comply with internal governance processes. Finally, we can also choose to save our vocabulary to Git for versioning if we want to. If we enable this, a few additional fields appear for storage, branch, and a commit message. We'll leave these at their defaults for now. Now we are no longer just viewing a vocabulary, we can see buttons on the bottom left to create new terms. The first thing we are going to do is go to the Info and Metadata tab, and add a description to this vocabulary. Note that for vocabularies created within Metafactory, the creator and contributor will automatically be pre-filled with the user who initially created the vocabulary, but we can still edit or extend this afterward. Additionally, every time a new user contributes to or modifies the vocabulary, they will also be automatically captured in the provenance metadata. Let's provide the description, a vocabulary for classifying industries, and then hit Save. You will also notice a modified activity after saving this change. If you click on Compared with Created, you will see what was changed. Let's also create some terms for this vocabulary. To do so, click on the arrow beside Create Top-Level Term to define multiple terms at once. Let's define the terms Science, Technology, and Health. Given that these are newly created terms, they have the status in development. At the top of the page you can see that 3 terms in this vocabulary have this status. Let's also create narrower terms to science. To do so, click on the context menu for science and click on Create Narrower Term. Let's call this Physics and then click on Save. Note that now, there are 4 terms in development. Say that we have completed changes to the term technology. We can set the status of this individual term by going to its context menu and set it to In Review. This will then be reflected on the top banner, as well as with a different icon on the left panel. This also means that this term cannot be edited, and instead there is a panel on the right where comments to this term can be added and a decision can be made. Let's approve this term and also change its status to Accepted for publication. And this concludes our tutorial on how to create vocabularies using Metafactory. Thank you for watching.